Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about TypeForm, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you sign up and create a TypeForm account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to sign up for TypeForm anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, running ads, you know that TypeForm is a popular way to create forms that are high converting. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in typeform.com. Check my video description. I'll try to leave my referral link there, but I've already pulled up the website and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to create a TypeForm account, you're going to click on either sign up here on the top right, or you can click right here, get started. It's free. Okay, once you do that, you can go ahead and create your TypeForm account by signing in with Google, Microsoft, or you can do what I do and just sign up with my email. Okay, so now TypeForm is asking for my email address and for me to create a password. So I'm going to do that off screen. Okay, I entered in the required information. I'm going to click here, create my free account. Okay, immediately TypeForm sends me an email confirmation. So I'm going to go ahead and open that email and click on the link. Okay, after clicking on the email link, it brings me back here to TypeForm. So they're going to ask a few questions to set up your account. So first they're asking for my first name and last name. So let me go ahead and enter that in. Okay, I'm going to click on continue. Okay, now they're asking what I will be using TypeForm for. So let me go ahead and click work. Okay, now they're asking what is my role? So let me go ahead and do marketing. All right, now what am I going to be using TypeForm for? Okay, so let me get more customers and sales. Okay, now they're asking for my website, so that way they can brand my forms automatically. Or you can do what I'm going to do and click on I don't have a website. Okay, immediately it brings me in here to go ahead and start creating my first form, or you can go right here to my workspace. Okay, now it brings me here to my dashboard inside of TypeForm. So now I can go ahead and start creating my lead forms. I can also make integrations and connecting my contacts. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to sign up and create a TypeForm account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.